Hey guys, welcome back to another new exciting video, another new model, which is the Kimi K3, but it is only 400 million parameter model. We all know that Kimi K3, the base model is the 2.8 trillion parameter model, but they have actually made this 400 million parameter, and this is by inference optimization team. And if you scroll down below, here you see they have written one thing. This is a tiny version of the Kimi K3 created for testing and development purpose. I will tell you about this meaning, that why they have written for testing and development. So basically, if you scroll down, then you will find that from the original model inside the tiny model, they have reduced the number of activated experts and also number of hidden layer, hidden size. All of that things got reduced. Okay. Now, why this model is required? So this model is required for the testing and development purpose. Let's say you are a researcher or a engineer, okay, and you want to study this Kimi's custom layers like KDA, mixture of expert. KDA, you remember, right? Means the Kimi delta attention. And one good thing is that you see architecture preserved. So they have preserved the exact attention architecture, exact this Kimi delta attention, and also this attention plus MLP residuals, mixture of expert. So the exact configuration actually they have preserved, and you can study about this architecture inside this model without downloading the trillion parameter model. Another advantage you will get that suppose you are writing an inference engine, or you are adding a support for Kimi in a library. Okay, so in that case you have to test the code, right? And you don't have enough resources. Then how will you understand that when you will actually enable the support for the main base model, then it will work properly or not? In that case, this small model will help you. And that's why here you see there are already 18,000 plus download in the last month. So when I opened this page yesterday, there was 17,000 download, but here you see today is 18,000 plus download. So people are actually downloading this model, they are using it, and it will help you to debug your code or your setup also. Let's say you want to use the main Kimi K3 model inside somewhere inside in any of the setup, then you can use this tiny model and you can do the testing. So if something is broken in your setup with this tiny model, then you can actually get the idea that the similar thing is going to happen with the main base model also. So that is why it is much easier to debug a small model than a trillion parameter one. Okay, and also if you are building tools such as a quantizer, a tokenizer converter, or a benchmarking script, or a serving framework, so you can use the small model to verify everything works before trying the huge one. Okay, and this 400 million parameter model can run on a consumer GPU or even a decent CPU with enough RAM. And the full Kimi K3 requires the enterprise grade hardware. So that's why people are actually happy with this model. And another thing is that you cannot directly download this model inside Olama or inside LM Studio to chat with this model, because this model actually they have not released as the model that you will download it and you can use it. It is not like that. So if you want to use this model, then you need another some support, another some libraries to build a full version of chat enabled system. Okay, so you that's why if you search this model inside of Olama or LM Studio, you will not find this model. You see they have actually written a lot of things, this that you need to download this, you need to enable all of this library and support to use this model. Okay, and yes, this is the thing guys I wanted to share with you. And also another thing is that on our channel you will find this kind of latest AI innovations like this OpenAI Astra, GPT-6 leaked news, and also Meta new AI agent which is beating the 100 engineers. Like this, all of the latest AI related things you will get. So please watch that, and also please like this video, subscribe this channel. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.